Hey, Vsauce! Michael here. I thought I'd switch it up a little bit instead of doing 3 videos in a row where I'd just look at like shitty listings. I thought I'd do a more instructional video. So when building a computer, you'll need various things. First, the CPU. This is the brain of your computer. It does all of the number crunching. Next, we need a device to be sort of a sink, you know, for all the heat. Next, you'll need the motherboard, which everything connects to. Now, a more expensive motherboard won't affect performance, but it will affect features. So, a more expensive motherboard, you'll get things like more hard drive connectivity, multiple graphics cards, overclocking ability, and more RAM slots. Speaking of which, it's not a PC without some
dedicated RAM.
This keeps your CPU fed with data. It also keeps your web browser fed with data. But remember, no matter how much memory you have, you'll never be able to satisfy Google Chrome. And my web browser isn't the only thing I'll never satisfy. Next, we have the hard drive. This keeps all of our video games and pictures and video files and potentially other illegal content. Now we have a more optional step, adding the graphics card. Now this can turn your computer into potentially a gaming PC. These are responsible for calculating all the geometry when it comes to games. Next we have the case. Now in some computers, including my situation, I don't have a case. However, we'll just be using a simple black one. Lastly, we have the power supply, which supplies your power with, you guessed it, self-awareness. So make sure you just don't get too high of a wattage power supply because your computer could become too self-aware. So now we're going to take the processor, kind of put it into the socket right here. You can just fit it in there. Okay, that's not working. So we're gonna put this straight down, I guess, or let's go upside down. Okay, that's not fitting too great. It's kind of wobbling around. Let's just see if it can hold this. That's gonna be, you might hear some snapping, that's okay. So now we can move on to the RAM. So that will go into, oh shoot, I don't know, one of these slots, I think? Now, any RAM will work, you just gotta make sure you get the right capacities. So this one's 128 units. I think that's a MB, whatever that stands for. Okay, that one's gonna fit right in there. There's another one just like it, another 128 MBs. Just gotta force it in there, sure it'll fit. Okay, and then we have a little one. This is a small one. It's only one unit big. See, it's only one of the MB or GB, whatever that stands for. So this isn't going to be a very big one, but see, that just kind of fits right in there. That's how you know it works. So you just gotta wanna. So this one, you can run 2 of these in dual channel. Now it's not a big deal if you don't get it right the first time. Okay, I might have had this a little bit backwards. I think these guys got to go in here. Oh, there, that's better. And the other one, yeah, this looks better. There, perfect. Yep, that's not going anywhere. Okay, that's dangerous. Well, it's not the best fit I've ever seen, but hey, it's kind of in there. So we just gotta like lay the mommy board in there. Oh, you put in this thing. Next we got the hard drive, and this kind of. Ah, damn, that hurt the little metal thing. That was so cute looking. Last we got this thing. I forget what this does. But, maybe goes in here. Fuck, I don't know. Okay, well this thing has to go in here. The hell? I don't fucking know. Maybe? Oh, here's some plugs. The computer's running a bit slow, you can just add a little bit more RAM. I can just go in anywhere. Pretty easy upgrade. That's fine. I'm sure that's supposed to happen. Okay, well that. So here's my newly built computer. I might be able to play Minesweeper, Roblox, RuneScape, some Dragon Quest, so a little bit of Pong maybe. Damn it. Yandere Simulator, Virtual Desktop Stripper. So thanks for watching. Maybe next time we can try to upgrade this thing or do some other computer-like maintenance. Maybe add more RAM. Maybe I'll teach you guys how to do that. Or maybe this was a total flop and I will regret doing this video. Do I need more light on me? Is that better? How much light is too much light? It was a dark and stormy night. And then the weather cleared. And then it was just night. I don't know how to end this video.